just unpacking all my gear into the camp. Sleeping pad and all the other stuff shoved into the corner. So I brought some goodies, blueberries and strawberries. So nice having fresh food when you're up here. And guess what? We have a fridge. Boiling some water at the moment. I'm gonna chuck it in the Nalgene, chuck that in my sleeping bag, and then go to sleep. I am so tired. Big day hiking. So yeah, see you in the morning. So we got breakfast, Radix, apple cinnamon. That boiling water and stuff is hydrating all the things that are in there. Then you just fill that sucker up with blueberries. There we go. Oh, it's yummy. It is windy as bugger all here, so just trying to get back to camp. We've scouted out some really cool locations, maybe to camp, definitely to photograph. So yeah, we'll see how we go. So I'm having some lunch, chippies. I've got water's boiling, which I'll mix in with some, probably some organic chai tea. Just going to get some water, filter it, all that good stuff. Hold it by the handle, dunk it like that. Chuck the filter on. There we go. So I've got a litre in this water bottle, and then I'll take this back. This will be all unfiltered water, and I'll have 3 litres there ready to filter whenever I want, which is great because I filtered and made myself some 2-minute noodles and stuff this morning, and it was absolutely pissing down with rain, so it works really well. Just got back from a hike, checked out some waterfalls and kind of areas that we hadn't been to before. Started raining and started snowing a little bit on the way back. It's going to be some more snow tomorrow and the day after, so that could be interesting. But yeah, for the moment, I'm just going to get something to eat. I'm going to go to bed, relax, watch some movies, and yeah, see you in the morning. Looks like it's so windy that the zip has actually broken on the inside, which is not good at all. Okay, there's the problem. The zip is not working. Good morning. Wind wasn't as bad last night. We got some reception. We can see that there's a bit of snow and 100k winds on the way, so we're gonna bunker down, not in the tent, but in a nearby hut, survival hut or whatever, and yeah, see how we go. Have breakfast, head over there. Bit of a whiteout at the moment, you can't see anything outside. Just waiting for the sun to rise and have breakfast, and then we'll head out over there. Okie dokie, so we made it to Kudapatanda Hut. If I say that fast enough, you won't know that I'm saying it incorrectly. So it's got that. Kind of a bit of a chimney, but instead of for fire, it's for people. So what ends up happening is when it's snowy, you know, snow can come up to there, and then you can go in through the hatch and the ladder on the other side. Like so. So you go up there, pop in, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, good decision.
Since we first broadcast this story, the 2018 Central Park Squirrel Census was released, and they found 2,373 squirrels.
little bit nicer. You can see pink on the horizon as the sun's starting to rise. Unreal. That's the best of that light. We just gotta get our packs back on, head to the car and drive off. Hopefully I got some images from this trip. We shall find out. If I did, I'll chuck them in the video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, all those good things, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.